Undeclared ambition is a crime. The Tinubu conundrum. Lately, the national leader of the All Progressive Congress (APC), Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, has been assaulted on all sides because of his perceived ambition to contest the presidential election in 2023. Yet, he has not made any public declaration to that effect. He is derided by the Afenifere, the foremost political and cultural association in the Southwest, ostensibly for crumbling the empire it built in the region. Over the decades, which was founded on Awoism, the political doctrine of Chief Obafemi Awolowo of blessed memory, Afenifere is yet to come to terms with how this unwanted tsunami, a supposedly political neophyte from outside of Awo's mainstream political thought within a twinkling of an eye, blew away the well-fortified structure and system of its impregnable empire into Smith-Trim. It's pain too much for the group to bear. A number of other political tendencies in the Southwest are against Asiwaju Tinubu because of his towering heights in the evolving political landscape in Nigeria, bearing in mind his ability to identify, nurture, and place talent in various positions of responsibilities in which they have performed credibly over time. This set of aggrieved politicians, some of whom benefited tremendously from his large-heartedness, elaborate political structure, and extensive networks, have chosen to betray their benefactor in the course of time, expecting the discerning and enlightened minds of the Southwest to reward them for their treachery and rebellion. Unfortunately, they are unmindful of the lessons of history that the good people of the Southwest do not decorate turncoats or ungrateful lieutenants with gallants of honor. A section of the Southeast and South-South elites is against Asiwaju Tinubu, not because he has done anything to hurt their interest deliberately, but because of the role he played in the formation of the APC, culminating in the eventual loss of President Ebele Jonathan in the 2015 presidential elections. He is therefore accused unfairly of bringing a northerner to power. In some parts of northern Nigeria, there are some who believe that he should be cut to size in order to give President Buhari the latitude to run the affairs of the APC and the government of the day, without any form of distraction from a rival power base. This powerful group within the APC is of the view that, according to Asiwaju Tinubu, his due respect as the national leaders of the party diminishes the president as the undisputed leaders of the party, thereby placing Asiwaju in an advantaged position in the race for the 2023 electoral contest. There are others who criticized him from hearsays or rumors about his stupendous wealth, reasoning that he must have helped himself to the goodies of office while he served as a two-term governor of Lagos State without any concrete evidence. Some even refer to him as the wealthiest politician and probably the most corrupt of them all in the country today. Yet there are others who think the only way Asiwaju can project himself as a progressive is to confront President Buhari and make his administration miserable, thereby by distracting the president from delivering on his promises to the Nigerian people. Thank you for listening to this news. That is a problem. If Bola Ahmed Tinubu likes, he should make his intention known for presidency or not. That is his problem. That is what he caused for himself. Whether he makes his intention known or not, the fact still remains that Buhari will still not give him that seat. See, what makes you think that Buhari wants any other place on any other region to come to that seat again? Since that seat has been given to a northerner, the president will still want a northerner to taste that seat again. We are speaking as if we don't even know the person that is on that seat. Buhari has sold the seat away to a northerner. There is no way. See, Buhari knows Tinubu so well. He knows him to the in total, so he won't even want to make that mistake of giving him that chance. He won't, because he knows what is going to be the outcome. So Tinubu should just keep calm. He should keep calm and forget about that seat of presidency. So you people should stop putting it into his heart. You should stop putting it and pushing it to him. He knows. He's still looking. He doesn't want to mess himself up, just like he has just messed himself up in Edo State. You know, allowing Tinubu to go in for presidency and at the end of the day he doesn't win. It's just like put pouring water in an empty basket. So people should just leave the man, leave him alone to decide by himself if he is to go or not. You understand now? So that is my own humble opinion and nothing more. So let us allow him to think about that seat of presidency by himself, without pushing it to him. All right, he knows if he's fit or not. He has helped the president, so it is the president's own side to decide if to help him or not. But to me, I said it and I will still say it again, that seat was sold away. It was sold away. Tinubu sold that seat away a very long time. And retrieving it back is going to be very, very slim. It's going to be extremely slim because of the person in power. Do you understand? Because of the person in power. The person in power is a no-nonsense person, is someone that is religiously moved and ethnicity moved. You understand? So it's not someone that you joke with. You understand what I'm saying? So we must understand that fact that this seat of presidency is not something one can just predict. You can predict the seat of a governor, but you cannot predict the seat of a president. Who knows that President Buhari will win the seat of presidency? Everyone was just putting their hope and confidence in Goodluck Jonathan. But along the line, you see what happened. You understand? So, whether Tinubu wins the seat of presidency or not, that is his own problem. So, my viewers, the comments concerning all that has just been said are very, very important. So, you do well to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.